2022 Exipure reviews. Does it work? What to know before buying. Exipure is a highly effective, safe, and natural weight loss pill that contains 8 clinically proven chemicals as well as a tropical loophole that dissolves fat overnight by boosting low brown adipose tissue levels. Easy-to-swallow pills for daily oral administration method, creator Jack Barrett, and British doctor Dr. James Wilkins. Exipure Purpose Tropical Fat Burning Secret, created by a doctor, addresses the fundamental cause of unexplained weight gain for healthy weight reduction outcomes with fat-shrinking substances that naturally enhance fat levels. Ingredients: perilla leaves, perilla frutescens, holy basil, the mother medicine of nature, rich in ursolic acid, white Korean ginseng, Panax ginseng, amur cork bark, Philodendron amurans, rich in berberine, quercetin, quercetum, natural flavonoid, oleuropein 200 mg, olea europea from olive oil, rich in antioxidant polyphenol, kudzu root. Exipure dose: take 1 Exipure pill with 6 to 8 ounces of water once a day, preferably first thing in the morning, for all-day fat-burning activation. Features: ingredients that are non-GMO, gluten-free, and soy-free, with no binders, fillers, preservatives, artificial colors, stimulants, or antibiotics. Women and men in their 20s to their 60s and 70s can benefit from a 100% natural remedy that has been clinically proved to address poor brown fat levels, belly fat, and a sluggish metabolism. There is no need for a prescription. Biggest weight reduction secret in the last 100 years: works with any sort of diet to enhance calorie-burning brown fat and is non-habit forming. USA created and manufactured at FDA-approved facility with CGMP certifications. Diaresis. Money-back guarantee for 180 days, risk-free 6-month refund policy. Exipure benefits: fat reduction benefits with a timed-release capsule formulation that lasts all day. Addresses slow metabolism and focuses on metabolic regeneration by rapidly multiplying brown fat while dissolving white fat stores into natural energy. Fat cells melt overnight in a 5-second strange tropical loophole, allowing consumers to escape free from the prison of fat. Side effects: there have been no recorded Exipure scam complaints from actual customers, and the natural components mean there are no known bad reactions or negative side effect risks. Exipure results: Expire has worked for 234,205 mothers, fathers and grandparents from 10 to 100 pounds overweight thus far, according to Jack. Customers: Exipure's official website features dozens of written testimonials from actual product users, as well as Trustpilot ratings. Scam risks when you buy Exipure. Exipure is exclusively accessible on the Exipure.com official website and not on any other marketplace or purchasing platform. Any Exipure purchase made through Amazon, GNC, Walmart, Walgreens, or CVS is 100% bogus. To be clear, Exipure is not available in stores or on the internet, and it will never be. Exipure scammers will not be able to defraud customers if they order straight from the company, and the 6-month money-back promise will be valid. Shopping for lesser prices and bigger discounts is the most common reason why Exipure consumers are duped, but the Exipure pills offered on the official site offer the best value for money and have been thoroughly tested for quality, purity, and dosage strength.
Official link in the description. Exipure. For more videos like this, like and subscribe. If you want to learn more for a weight loss natural detox, here is my video for the water ginger detox you can make at home. Lost 10 pounds in 10 days.